Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with over 20 years of experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we're diving into the Knowledge of the Profession section of the FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 052 exam. This part covers the history, foundations, and impact of the field. Let's dive in. Which of the following was responsible for the founding of what is now called the American Association of Family and Consumer Sciences? A. Ellen H. Richards, B. Carol Fisher, C. Susan B. Anthony, or D. Edna H. Ross? B. Carol Fisher, not known for founding major organizations in this field. C. Susan B. Anthony, famous for women's rights, but not for home economics or family and consumer sciences. D. Edna H. Ross, not associated with the founding of this organization. The correct answer is A. Ellen H. Richards was not only the first female to graduate from MIT, but she also founded the American Home Economics Association in 1909. This organization is now known as the American Association of Family and Consumer Sciences. Which 1984 act supported vocational education programs, including family and consumer science, by aiming to reduce the impact of workplace stereotypes related to gender roles? A. Carl D. Perkins Vocational Education Act, B. 21st Century Community Champion Act, C. Career and Technical Education Act, or D. Women's Education Equality Act? B. 21st Century Community Champion Act is incorrect. This sounds modern and broad, but it doesn't focus on vocational education or gender equity. C. Career and Technical Education Act is incorrect. This is more a general term, not the specific 1984 law. D. Women's Education Equality Act is incorrect. This focused on gender equality in education, but not specifically on vocational programs or family and consumer science. The correct answer is A. Carl D. Perkins Vocational Education Act. The field of family and consumer science has addressed various social issues over the past several decades. The Carl D. Perkins Vocational Education Act of 1984, or the Perkins Act, supported vocational education programs, including family and consumer sciences, and included provisions aimed at promoting gender equity and reducing gender role stereotyping in the workplace. Which of the following was the original name of family and consumer science classes in schools? A. Personal economics, B. Government and society, C. Home economics, or D. Civics? A. Personal economics is incorrect. That sounds like budgeting or finance, but not the full range of home and family skills. B. Government and society is incorrect. That's more related to social studies or civics. D. Civics is incorrect. This is about government and citizenship, not cooking, childcare, or home management. The correct answer is C. Home economics. Family and consumer science classes were once called home economics. These classes focused on caring for the home and family, including raising children, baby care, cooking, and related skills. These areas are still important components of family and consumer science education. On a resume, why is a profile preferred to an objective? A. The objective lists skills the applicant has, while the profile tells more about the person. B. The objective just states what you want, while the profile shows what you can offer. C. The objective shows what you can offer, while the profile just shows what you want. Or D. The objective tells more about the person, while the profile lists skills the applicant has. A. The objective lists skills. Not quite. An objective usually doesn't list skills. It states your goal, like seeking a teaching position. C. The objective shows what you can offer. That's actually the role of a profile, not the objective. D. The objective tells more about the person. An objective is brief and goal-focused, not personal. The correct answer is B. The objective just states what you want, while the profile shows what you can offer. The profile on a resume tells the recruiter what the applicant can bring to the company. It is now preferred over the objective, which states what the applicant wants. The profile should not read like a social media bio and should remain professional. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions for the FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 052 exam. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons. Like this video and subscribe to this channel, and please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.